am very disappointed by the weather.
You should explain.
It's not shit enough.
It's not shit enough.
It needs to be more rainy and dark to show his emotional mood and how he's alone. It's all very, very simple.
Well, you know, you don't even need it to be that dark. You can just change the thing on the editing.
Add in rain. Can I do that?
Huh?
Can I add in rain? No, because I need like physical water.
Okay.
Maybe you could stand nearby with like a hose pipe.
I could do that.
Where would you get a hose pipe?
Just ask one of the houses around.
I don't know, this might be useful. I can see water droplets on the camera.
Yeah.
You could push the swing. No, gentler movement, please. Yeah, okay. Now make sure the second swing is swinging in the wrong direction.
Oh, new angle, artistic shot. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, I know.
Unless you want to splash water on the line.
With what?
This umbrella that's not really helping us.
Don't actually put it in the umbrella.
Why?
Because we're having that over us.
Oh, no, it works.
Yeah, I know.
I want to like lower the camera so it's more like at the ground level. So you're camera is panning too fast. Oh, it's backwards.
It doesn't matter.
Better. It matters to me.
Alright.
Get rid of this useless thing. This is what I need.
Make sure it doesn't fall though. It is very little.
This is how we make the rain. We get an umbrella and make the rain. We need more rainbow.
I'm trying.
It's not raining enough. Like, maybe I'll try a different technique.
Ooh, rolling.
Oh.
It fits in shot, by the way.
This is pretty much broken.
Multiple. Double do it.
I wanted it rain.
I think it looks okay.
Look how wet my foot is.
That is your own fault.
Dedication. Dedication.
You didn't expect that to happen.